Pearl millet is known as bajra in Hindi, kambu in Tamil. Bajra has anti-diabetic properties, helps lowers cholesterol, prevents gallstones, and helps in weight loss. Bajra idlis are made with whole grains and are healthy, good in taste, and very nutritious breakfast with amount of protein, carbs, minerals, and iron. This is one of the very oldest recipes that I have been using. I used whole bajra, urud dal, and rice, fenugreek as the main ingredient. Ingredients: bajra 3 cups, urud dal 1 cup, rice 1 cup, fenugreek 1 teaspoon, salt as needed, water as needed. Let's see how to make the batter. Wash these ingredients thrice and soak them for at least 4 hours. Let's see how to make the batter. Wash these ingredients thrice. Add water and soak them for at least 4 hours. Drain the water from the pot and blend it. Blend it till smooth and frothy and keep it in a large bowl. Add salt and mix it together with your hands. Ferment it in a warm place for 6 to 8 hours. After fermentation, the batter rises well and turns light. Add little water to bring it to a thick consistency to make idlis. Pour this batter of thick consistency to a idli maker. Steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. or curry leaf stick to check if it is cooked. If it is cooked, it will not be sticky. Serve hot with any chutney or sambar. Let's see how to make bajra dosa. Add little water to the batter, bring it to a consistency. It should be neither too thick or not too thin. It must be of spreading consistency. Mix well. Now heat a dosa tawa. When it is hot enough, pour one ladle of batter to the center of the tawa. Bring to spread from the center and make thick or thin dosa as per your preference. Cover with the lid. Cook until the edges leave the pan. Flip and cook on the other side. Flip back and cook until crisp. Serve bajra dosa hot with any chutney or sambar.